Let's do a short unboxing. I just bought this one from Lidl. It's a cordless vehicle impact wedge, 20 volts. Let's have a look. 20 volts battery, 400 newton per meter power. Yeah, looks good. Let's see what we have inside. Put this in somewhere. Let's have a look what's inside. So this is the late impact screwdriver, 1.2. Feels good, feels very heavy. Might do the job. I'll test her. And you got here for sockets. It's 23. I think this one is 21. 18 and 19 here. You got the charger. It's gonna cost you extra, this charger, if you buy them separate. Alright, seems to have fans inside to cool down the system. Yeah, it's quite heavy. Yeah, it is heavy. So here we have the battery level. Nice, bright, very bright. You got here selecting the power: 100, 150, 200, 300. I don't know how much you can see. And the powerful 400, the maximum power. Right, lock on the middle. Anyway, quite heavy than the old one. I don't know about the power, but we're gonna see it. I'm gonna do a test with the tires, with the wheels from the car, to test them if I'm gonna open them or I'm gonna need another tools to do that. Right. Very good, the plastic from the box. You got some manuals over there, and that's it. This is it.